Hello explorers, today we'll look at 3 common sentence mistakes and how to fix them. She don't sings well. This is a common mistake. The correct sentence is she doesn't sing well. When using the third person singular subjects like she, he or it, always pair them with doesn't instead of don't. Additionally, after doesn't, the verb must remain in its base form. This rule keeps your sentences grammatically correct. Next one I have for you. We didn't went there yesterday. The correct sentence is we didn't go there yesterday. After the auxiliary verb, didn't the main verb always stay in its base form, not the past tense. So replace went with go. Next we have he were very happy. There is an error in subject verb agreement. The correct sentence is he was very happy. Since he is singular, it should pair with was, not were, which is used for plural subjects. Keep practicing these simple yet important rules. See you next time on English Explorers with Rhythma. Stay happy.